In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and customize a sticky header on your website in Chrome. To get started, open your website in Google Chrome and go to your primary page where you want to adjust the header behavior. Once you're on the page, look for the main canvas section of the site and click Edit. This opens the page editing view where you can access layout and design controls for different parts of your website. Next, move your mouse over the header region at the top of the page. As you hover there, you should see the option to edit that specific area. Click Edit Site Header to open the header settings. This is the section that controls how your header looks and behaves across the site, so it's the right place for making navigation-related updates. After the header settings panel appears, find the Settings tabs and select Edit Design. This area focuses on the visual and functional style of the header rather than the content inside it. If you're looking to change how the header stays visible while visitors scroll, this is where that setting is usually located. Now look for the sticky header option. You'll see a checkbox or toggle that allows you to turn this feature on or off. Enable the sticky header setting to make the header remain accessible as someone moves down the page. This can be especially useful for improving navigation, since visitors can quickly reach menus or important links without scrolling all the way back to the top. Once the sticky header option is turned on, choose the style variation you want to use. For example, you may see options like scroll back or always present. Scroll back usually means the header reappears when a visitor starts scrolling upward, which can feel clean and less intrusive. Always present keeps the header visible the entire time, which can be helpful if constant navigation access is more important for your layout. Choose the style that best matches your site's design and user experience goals. When you've made your selection, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your header behavior is now updated. As a final tip, after saving, preview the page and scroll through it to make sure the sticky header works the way you expect. This quick check helps confirm that the style feels smooth and fits well with the rest of your website design.